Best places to visit when you are in Malilipotalbay. Whether you just want to take selfies with the popular landmarks or throw yourself into some fun adventures, or taking up your long vacation, Bicol's home of hospitable and loving people, natural beauty will never fail to surprise you. Let's explore the best places in Malilipot, Albay. How to get to Bicol by air. Philippine Airlines and Cebu Pacific have regular flights from Manila and Cebu to Legazpi City. By bus, several bus lines connect Metro Manila to Legazpi City, including Philtranco, Superlines, DLTB, Cagsawa Tours, Amihan, Isarag Line, Street Jude Transit and Gold Line Tours. Fare starts at 800 pesos and travel time is approximately 9 to 10 hours. From backpackers hostels, lodges and inns to fancy hotels, various accommodations for different market segments are available at nearby City of Tobacco. Malilipot is a fourth-class municipality in the Province of Albay, Philippines. Malilipot traces its history to the expedition of Captain Juan de Salcedo in 1573 and the colonization of Albay Bay, now called Albay, with 120 soldiers and guides. During these period, towns were established. Liban was founded in 1573, Polangui in 1589, Oz in 1587, and Malinao in 1600. Other municipalities were established in succession. A story alleged that the Spanish colonizers reached this new settlement in the month of December. The weather was so cold that the Spaniards exclaimed, "Muy frio," which the natives interpreted as Malilipot, meaning very cold. Another story alleged that when a Spanish ship disembarked on the Bay of Malilipot, Spaniards asked a native fisherman for the name of the place. Due to the language barrier, the natives thought he was asked what are their conditions, to which they replied, "Malilipot kami." The Spaniards then conclude that the place was Malilipot. Another legendary name given to the town was Manlipod, meaning protector, attributed to the mountain ranges which had protected the town from the early destructive eruptions of Mayon volcano. It was said that, had it not been for these mountain ranges, the poblacion would have been buried under the molten lava and ashes emitted by Mount Mayon. These protective mountains are Toktokan and Bulawan, meaning gold, situated on the southern part and extends to the western side of the town, and screens it from the ravages of Mayon volcano. The town is popularly known as Malilipot. Now, the official name of the town is Malilipot, Malilipot, accented on the third syllable. Capitan. Capitan is located at Calbayog, Malilipot, Albay. Its name was derived from the word Capitan, meaning narrow. The enormous volcanic rocks from the eruptions of Mayon volcano formed the falls. Its cold water helps replenish energy and ease body stress. Canaway Dairy Farm. Located at the upland village of Canaway in Albay's Malilipot town, Canaway Dairy Farm started operations in August 2009. 20 cows from New Zealand were brought to Bicol to jump-start the milk farm. All of the animals are crossbreeds of the Netherlands breed Holstein and the Pakistani breed Sahiwal. To experience the farm life firsthand, the owner, Mr. Anton Burst, showed us around his farm and oriented us about farming. Canaway Dairy Farm located at Purok 5, Canaway Malilipot, Albay. An agri-tourism spot showcasing the state-of-the-art in milk production. Canaway Dairy Farm started operations in August 2009. The sight of black and white cows eating luscious green grasses may somehow make you feel you are in New Zealand or Australia. Grab a genuine fresh milk from the farm around 6 o'clock in the morning. Bussey Falls. Bussey Falls is a popular day trip destination for local tourists on weekends, especially during the hot summer months of March, April, and May. It is tucked away in a forested mountain at the quaint town of Malilipot in Albay. The seven-tiered falls are about 5 kilometers from Tobacco City proper, 20 kilometers north of Legazpi City, and is easily accessible by both private and public transport. It is considered one of the highest waterfalls in the country, descending in stages from a height of 250 meters, cascading into 7 small pools. The water plunges approximately 91 meters from its highest point, and the last 40-meter cascade drops to a small shallow pool, which is the most popular among the 7 falls. Lubid Festival, a week-long celebration showcasing abaca hemp, locally known as lubid, which the municipality is known to be the region's major producer. Various activities highlighted by street dance parade, where participants are colorfully dressed in abaca costumes. The street dance is one of the highlights of this year's Lubid Festival. Each dance group showed their story through dancing in the streets of Malilipot and Mount Carmel parish grounds. Dos Montes Hillside Spring Resort. Malilipot is best known for its cold breezy nights and tropical rainforest that cradles beautiful falls and cold water springs. These inspire our good fellow Ati, Rick de Jesus, to bring this wonder of nature to the convenience of common people. Through his vision, Dos Montes Spring Resort comes to life, the name derived from the 2 adjacent mountains called Bulacawan and Toktokan, a horticultural land space measuring 2 hectares turned into a breathtaking vacation haven of zen and relaxation. Most of the Asian folks love to bath on a hot spring since the beginning of history, but far from their knowledge that swimming in cold water has surprising benefits. Natural cold water spring swimming can boost your immune system, increase production of endorphins, body's natural painkiller, gets the blood pumping, improve your sex life, and it helps burn excess calories. A dip in our all-natural spring water pools will confirm the unique properties of Malilipot's natural springs. It is not treated with any known water treatment chemicals. The pools are drained every 24 hours and the water itself contains natural salts and essential compounds that are removed during chlorination. Our resort has 15 exquisite cottages and 6 cozy rooms that will ensure that every guest will feel the warm atmosphere of a home far away from home. We also ensure the security and convenience of our guests. The establishment has 24 hours CCTV camera coverage. Each strategic post has a security personnel and resort staff. The place is just a 3-minute walk from the National Road and 5 minutes travel from Tobacco City proper. Food and beverages are available 24 hours a day. Free parking on our 1,500 square meter parking lot, and if you crave for more adventure, we can organize a mountain trekking and hiking at the nearby hills and the famous Bussy Falls. Allow us to bring you closer to nature, release your stress and find inner peace with our tranquil place and soothing waters. Get the most of your money, choose the comfort of our amenities. Feel the calmness of mountain breeze, be inspired by the breathtaking view. Sit down and relax. Dos Montes Spring Resorts will take care of your vacation. Location: Bri. 1. Poblacion: Malilipot, Albay, 4,510 Philippines, 63 52 435 2872, 63 948 924 3396. Email: admin@dosmontesresorts.com. Website: http://casabasilisa.com.ph/. KC Land. KC Land is a farm-inspired man-made park located at the far side of San Isidro, Iraya. It is an ideal venue for birthday parties or wedding reception. Visitors enjoy the greenery in its surroundings and the scenic view of Mount Mayon. Farm animals such as pond fish and geese are also present to add life to this park. From Tobacco City, ride a tricycle going to Cabangan and then drop off at the KC Land signage. Rent a tricycle for a special trip which goes directly to the park at San Isidro, Iraya, Malilipot, Albay. Thank you for watching.